Hey you, Amber from Brown & V here. Welcome. I'm super excited for you to see this new course that we've created to get your business found online and everything that you need to know about creating a Google My Business profile. Currently, a large percentage of Americans and people across the world search for everything on the internet. So if you're a beauty biz and you do not have a Google My Business profile listing for your local business, you are likely losing a significant amount of customers to your competitors, which is not good. We want to grow, not go the other way. So it's extremely important that you have one. Unfortunately, from talking to a lot of artists, I have found that people find it really overwhelming and they just don't know where to begin. So in this course, I'm going to teach you why having a Google presence matters, how to create a Google business profile listing, how to get reviews, where to put it, everything from step one to the end. So go ahead and download the course, settle in. You're going to get a workbook and an online guide in addition to the video, and I'm going to help you get yourself found online and get more business.